If you are trying to buy a car in 2025, stop before you put it in your personal name. Now, today I'm breaking down exactly how to buy a car in your business name. Now, even with $0 down, even if you're a small business, and even if your personal credit isn't perfect. Now, most people don't know that business auto funding has gotten a lot easier this year. And the benefits are insane: tax write offs, lower liability, and you protect your personal credit. So let's go ahead and walk through the full step by step process on how to get a brand new vehicle in your business name. Now, before any dealerships approve you and your business name, you need these things set up. There is absolutely no shortcuts. Now, you must have a registered business, an LLC or corporation. You must match exact spelling everywhere. No DBA, only setups. You must also have an EIN number, and it's free from the IRS.gov website. You also must have a business address, not home address, if that is possible. Virtual office is okay, and there is definitely no P.O. box. Another important thing is also having a business phone number. Now, Google Voice or Business Voice must be searchable. Lenders check for this as well. You also must have a business bank account open for at least 90 days old or better. You also must have DUNS number, at least 3 to 5 report and trade lines, net 30 accounts like Granger, Quill, Summa, Office Supplies, and Uline. Now, this is called your business credibility. Now, lenders use this to decide if you're legit or if you're just using an LLC for funding purposes only. Now, in this video, I'm also going to explain to you personal guarantee versus no personal guaranteed auto loans. Now, with personal guarantee, they do check your personal credit. It is a easier approval. They do have higher starting limits. Now, this is best for new businesses if you've been in business for 12 months or more. Now, no PG, meaning no personal guarantee. Now, for the requirements for that, your only requirement is only your business credit is used. No impact to your personal credit whatsoever. Now, they do require for you to be in business 1 to 2 years strong business credit as well. Now, usually they will need revenue proof when you are going the no personal guarantee route. Now, the lenders I'm about to share with you, they do approve business loans. So the top business auto loans, PGOK, will be Ford Credit, GM Financial, Toyota Commercial Financial, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and as well as Nissan. Now, credit unions that approve under your LLC will be Navy Federal, PenFed, DCU, state employees credit unions, and your local CUs in your state. Now, here's how to buy the car under your LLC with $0 down. Now, this part is very important. So, if you need to pause this video, write it down, play it back, please do so. Now, step one is build your credit or your business credit score with PEDX 80 plus. So you want to pay your net 30s early. Get 3 to 5 trade lines reporting to your business credit. And you also want to use a business credit card like Divvy, Capital One, On Tap, or Amex. Now, I want you guys to know that not all dealerships do business auto. But when you do go inside of a bank, you are going to ask for the fleet manager or the commercial finance manager. That is who you will speak to first before you apply for any auto loan under your business. Now, the next step will be they will then begin to ask you for your LLC documents, your EIN phone number, your business address, your business bank statements, as well with your driver's license. Now, here's the key to $0 down. Now, leasing versus financing. Lease often approves with zero down, okay? Again, leasing often approves with $0 down. Business bank accounts deposits 3 months makes you look a lot stronger. It makes it look like you have steady income. Also, it will be use PG one time. So most get $0 down with good personal credit. Another one will be seasonal revenue letters. So if you're a gig worker, contractor, or whatever else. Also, use business credit cards for down payment tricks. Now, a ton of business uses a 0% APR business credit card to cover the down payment. So technically, it's $0 cash out of your pocket. Now, another exciting thing about this is the vehicle would then be a tax write off. So, from a new car over 6,000 labs, you can write off up to 100% on Section 179. No personal credit reporting. Car payments do not hit your personal credit. Lower liability. The business owns the vehicle. Easier approval later. One commercial auto loan equals easy, no personal guarantee loan next time. Now, I'm also going to share with you what not to do, mistakes that get you denied. Now, the first one will be new LLC with zero trade lines will get you denied. Trying to buy luxury cars with no business history whatsoever will get you denied. No business bank account will get you denied. There's no personal account that you can use, even if your money is going in there. Using personal bank statements will get you denied. Asking the wrong department at the dealership will get you denied. And also, last but not least, high personal utilization on your personal guarantee or applications will then get you denied. So, if you want me to help you build your business credit step by step so you can get cars, credit cards, and even business lines of credits, comment the word car below down in the comments and I'll send you some resources. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More business credit videos are coming. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.